Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the account and device that locked Safe Search. Sign into the Google account shown. If it's a work or school account, you'll need an admin. On a personal device, open Settings and look for Parental Controls, Family Link, or Device Management apps. Disable them if you control the account. Once done, make sure the device is connected to the internet and restart the browser so setting changes propagate. This clears cached policy flags that keep Safe Search enforced. Now focus on removing enforced filters. Go to Google search settings and toggle Safe Search off, then sign out and back in to apply changes. If Chrome still shows locked, open Chrome settings, go to Sync in Google Services and confirm you're not supervised. If Family Link or a school admin controls the account, open the Family Link app or admin console and remove the restriction from the child or user profile. Make sure to clear browser cache and cookies so the unlocked state takes effect. Finish by restarting the device and signing into Google to confirm Safe Search is off. If it remains locked, double-check for a supervised account profile under Device Accounts and remove it or contact the administrator who enforces policies. If you need a quick test, open an incognito window or use a different Google account to verify change. Troubleshooting tip: if settings revert, check router DNS or ISP parental controls. Those can enforce Safe Search at the network level and require DNS changes or provider support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.